The world of tablets has officially entered a new era, and this time, Apple isn't just updating the iPad, they're rewriting the rulebook. The brand new M5 iPad Pro 2025 is here, and it's not just faster or thinner, it's smarter, more powerful, and more capable than ever before. Powered by Apple's insane M5 chip, a next-gen AI engine, and a breathtaking OLED Ultra Retina XDR display, this iPad is no longer a side device. It's becoming your main computer. Apple has packed laptop-class performance, futuristic design, and on-device AI into a device thinner than a pencil. We're talking about 6K video editing, AI-powered creativity, and macOS-like multitasking, all happening right on your iPad. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. From the redesigned Magic Keyboard 3 to the Apple Pencil 3 that can literally draw in the air, everything about this device screams next-generation. So today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know. The design, the M5 chip, new AI features, OLED display, price and release date, and most importantly, how Apple may have just made laptops irrelevant. The world of tablets has just changed forever. Apple's brand new M5 iPad Pro 2025 isn't just another yearly upgrade, it's a complete redefinition of what a tablet can be. After years of incremental improvements, Apple has finally unleashed something that feels truly next generation. From its groundbreaking M5 chip and advanced AI engine to its ultra-thin design, OLED Ultra Retina XDR display, and macOS-like functionality, the new iPad Pro isn't just catching up to laptops, it's starting to replace them. For creators, designers, editors, and power users, this is the most powerful and futuristic iPad we've ever seen. The story begins with performance, because Apple's new M5 chip is the real heart of this revolution. Built on a cutting-edge 3-nanometer architecture, the M5 delivers astonishing efficiency and raw speed. Benchmarks already suggest a performance jump of more than 25% over the M4 and nearly double the AI processing power. Apple has integrated a next-generation neural engine with 32 cores, capable of handling more than 50 trillion operations per second. That means faster real-time image generation, smoother machine learning performance, and effortless multitasking even with pro-grade creative apps. From 3D modeling in Shapr 3D to color grading in DaVinci Resolve, the M5 chip runs it all without breaking a sweat. But performance alone isn't what makes this iPad special. It's the intelligence behind it. Apple has fully embraced on-device AI with what it calls Apple Intelligence Pro, a smarter, more context-aware version of Siri and system-wide assistants powered by the M5's neural engine. The iPad can now summarize documents, auto-generate notes, remove unwanted objects from photos, and even script content in real time using natural language. What once required cloud connectivity now happens locally, instantly, and securely. Privacy remains key. Everything from voice recognition to content creation is processed directly on the device. For the first time, Apple has created a truly intelligent iPad experience that feels alive. Now, let's talk about that stunning OLED Ultra Retina XDR display, easily one of the biggest visual upgrades Apple has ever made to the iPad lineup. The new tandem OLED technology fuses two organic panels together to deliver perfect contrast ratios,